Zouk Kompa beat. I saw you moving across the floor, and from that moment I knew tonight something real was starting. I caught your eyes under neon glow. You smiled and I lost control. The music pulled us close, body to body, moving slow like time don't know how to go. You whispered something I couldn't ignore. Your breath on my ear made my heart want more. We didn't say much, but we said enough. Every move was a language of love. From the club to your heart, the rhythm carried us this far. Every beat, every spark feels like kompa made for lovers in the dark. Tonight, no words, no plans, just the story of our hands. To your heart, you got me lost, cherry nam flam la musa. The city lights followed us home. Your perfume still dancing on my soul. You poured 2 drinks, turned the lights down low. I felt your heartbeat start to flow. We laughed between every kiss. No promises, just a moment of bliss. But something deeper in your eyes said stay, and I couldn't turn away.